Hello students, welcome back to your science session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 14, that is our neighbors in space. Now just like people living close to our house are our neighbors, isn't it? Planets and other heavenly bodies which are close to the earth are our neighbors in space. Okay, so let us learn more about them. The solar system. Now we know that the earth and the other 7 planets together with their moons and the sun make the solar system. Now let's study the components of the solar system starting from the sun. The first is sun. Okay, the first component of the solar system is sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. Okay, sun को क्या कहते हैं? Head of the solar system and is situated in its center. कहाँ है? Center में है sun. All planets revolve around the sun. सभी planets जो है वो sun के revolution में होते हैं. Okay. It is a huge ball of fire and the main source of energy in the solar system. Okay. As you all know, sun is a huge ball of fire और सभी जो एनर्जी है सोलर सिस्टम में वो कहाँ से आती है? मेन एनर्जी वो कहाँ से आती है? फ्रॉम द सन. The first is now Mercury. After the sun, the first planet is Mercury. Now Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Okay, sun के बाजू में जो एकदम नियर बाय जो planet है that is Mercury. And it is the smallest planet in the solar system. Okay, and I will give you a few additional information about all the planets. So here about the Mercury, its orbit around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days. It is named after the Greek god Hermes, translated into Latin. Okay, Latin is a language. Translated into Latin as Mercurius. God of commerce, messenger of the gods and mediator between gods and mortals. Okay, इसे ये कहा जाता है. The next is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest planet and is also called the evening star and it is very hot. Okay, इसे Venus is a second planet. Okay, एंड वो ब्राइटेस्ट प्लैनेट है. ओके, इसीलिए इसे क्या कहता है? इवनिंग स्टार. और ये बहुत ही हॉट होता है. नाउ इट इज़ नेम्ड आफ्टर द रोमन गॉडेस ऑफ लव एंड ब्यूटी. ओके, वीनस कैन कास्ट शेडोज एंड कैन बी ऑन रेयर ओकेशन visible to the naked eye in the broad daylight. Now Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the sun and it is the only planet which supports life. As we all know, Earth पे जो हम रहते हैं वहीं पे life है. Okay, and it is the third planet of the solar system and it is also known as the blue planet. Blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. Okay. जो 70% वाटर है, पानी जो है वो अपने अर्थ पे है. ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन इट इज नोन एज ब्लू प्लैनेट एंड द अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट ऑन विच वाटर एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड फॉर्म. सी, इजंट इट इंटरेस्टिंग? अर्थ जो है वो एक ही ऐसा प्लैनेट है जिसपे वाटर जो है वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में है. ओके, रेस्ट अदर प्लैनेट्स डोंट हैव वाटर इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. ओके, now we will talk about Mars. Mars, also known as the red planet. Okay, red planet is the fourth planet from the sun in the solar system. Mars is a fourth planet and it is called as red planet also. Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and the latter refers to the effect of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars' surface which gives it a reddish appearance. Okay, रेड का मार्स का जो रेड कलर है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द आयरन ऑक्साइड. ओके, उसके सरफेस पे क्या है? आयरन ऑक्साइड है. दैट इज द रीजन it appears as red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, okay, fifth, and it is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet. Now, it is a gas giant with a mass 1000 that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that all the other planets in the solar system combined. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Okay, sixth planet, that is Saturn, and the second largest planet in the solar system. Second largest. The first is the what? First is the Jupiter and second is Saturn, and it has a system of rings around it. Okay, उसके आजू बाजू क्या होती है? Saturn के आजू बाजू rings होती है. Now, it is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of the Earth, and it only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky, Uranus. Okay, Greek god of the sky कौन है? Uranus, who according to the Greek mythology was the grandfather of Zeus and father of Cronus. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Okay, Neptune जो है वो क्या है? एकदम farthest planet है, मतलब बहुत ही दूर का planet कौन सा है solar system में? The last, Neptune. Now, it is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Okay, slightly कैसा है? Uranus से मैच करता है. Okay, twin कहते हैं उसे. And Neptune is denser and physically smaller than Uranus. Okay, Neptune क्या है? Uranus से small है. Okay, because its greater mass cause more gravitational compression of its atmosphere. Now, apart from these, there are some dwarf planets which revolve around the Sun, and they are also the members of the solar family. Now, one is Pluto. Pluto is one of the dwarf planet which was earlier considered as a planet, but अभी वो solar system में नहीं है. It is out from the orbit of the solar system. So, before the Pluto was one planet, but now it is not. Thank you.